listen student, last my video we are making a video on the line bisector or angle bisector. So in the geometry it is very important that how to bisect a line or how to bisect the angle. Why it is important? Because when you bisect the line or angle, these applications are used in the mechanical civil engineering that when you construct the house, when you construct the house, and there are many examples. There we bisect the angle or there you bisect the line. So for example, here I am taking the one smallest or simplest example that I am taking here as this model. What is Aditya, this one? What is this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. And another one is what do you call? Motuka.
Samosa.
So listen. So this one is a samosa, or this one you can say that as it is a triangle. So here apart we are left from that one, and we have come around with our subject. This is a triangle. Here I want to construct a circle. But in two ways. How many ways? But in two ways. First, it goes to be outer circle. It goes to be an outer circle of triangle. This is the outer circle of a triangle. And second one is a in circle of the triangle. Outer circle you call in circle and outer circle. So you call it circumference or circumference. So first we have to construct the in circle, and then we have to construct the outer circle. So first we have to construct the in circle. This is example of in circle, and this is example of outer circle. So we take example. So I construct a triangle in this way. I have a triangle, and I'm giving the names of this point A, B, C. Let ABC is a triangle. Suppose this is my 4 centimeter. I'm constructing this one as a right angle triangle. This one is a 4 centimeter, and this one is a 3 centimeter. How much the value of AC? Anybody knows? How much the value of AC? AC is a hypo. So this is just like when we are applying the Pythagoras theorem. Hypo square equal to first side square plus second side square. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here how much that is? AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. It means that 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Therefore AC equal to 5 centimeter. So how much this one? 5 centimeter. So you can construct a triangle with AB 4 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, and AC 5 centimeter. Here we want to make in circle of this triangle. What is this kind of triangle? This is a rectangle. See, we have to construct the in circle in a rectangle. How that I will teach you right now. Where is my So here first we will rub on the board, and here we want to construct a triangle. This one, this one 4, this is 3, and this one 5. A, B, C. Listen, you want to or draw a circle inside in a triangle. Here the most important thing is that here how many lines are there? AB 1, BC second, AC third. So 3 lines are there. How many lines? 3 lines. So you have to bisect the all 3 lines, and the point will be get inside this triangle is called inside this triangle. With the help of a compass you can draw a triangle, you can draw a circle, and that we call it as a incircle. That we call it as a incircle. What is that called? Incircle. So I will right now draw and how it will be formed. You see. First, these are the line bisector. What is the basic rule of a line bisector? Anybody knows? What is the basic rule of line bisector? How you bisect the lines? Anybody knows? So, my students, we are done this in last lecture. That take more than half in a compass and make an arrow or make a cross, and with this we can bisect the line. So I am taking this with this man. I am taking more than half distance, and this one from this one from this one and this from this one from this one from this one. Listen. These 2 points. So I plot these 2 points. Segment. Here we segmented line AB. Then we have to segmented BC. This, then this. So here the line. Then AC more than AC. This from this point, this. So this. So here I got a point. What is that point? So here I got a point which is on AC. Up here I got a point which is on AC. So here take a distance from A up till now A, and make a draw. With A. So this is my triangle and this is outer circle. So this is we make a outer circle of a triangle. What is we made? Outer circle of a triangle. This is circle A, B, C. This is circle, and this is a circle. This circle is the outer of the what is that? Outer of the triangle. It connects all the 3 points A, B, C, and here we can make a outer circle of a rectangle triangle. Understood? Have you understood? You can easily see na triangle and outer circle. Yeah. So here we outer circle we have to find with circumcircle. That we call as in geometry circumcircle. What we call circumcircle. Here we will draw the circumcircle of a triangle. Then we move ahead. That we have to draw the incircle of a triangle. What we call incircle of a triangle. So incircle we have to draw incircle. How do we draw a incircle? That will be I am taking this. This is my second point. That I am draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Distance, suppose anybody distance. You can take anybody and take a point A, B, C. First, you draw here. If you want to draw in circle, you have to bisect one. You have to bisect line first, and then afterward 2 angles. It means that when I want to bisect these lines, where here I am taking A, B, bisect these lines. So how it look like this? this, then this, and this. Draw this one. Draw this one. Draw. This one. A bit that. Then afterwards an angle. How you bisect the angle? This is the suppose this more than half more than half this, and then afterwards this, and make more than that this from this and this. So when you come here, this is the point, then this B this from this, then कुठे गेली point this and this and point this. So here, which is the from B na, from B this, and suppose angle C झाला आहे ना आपला, तर इथून एक घेऊया, this and this. No, sorry, angle A, this, then this and this. This is the line. This this is the line. We get a point here. And from this point is from this point A, B, C. From this point to this point, we make it right now for D. Make in a compass this much distance. And draw. Where is the point? My point? Draw. And this is your encircle of a triangle ABC. What is this? Everybody seen na? ABC is a triangle, and this circle joins every part of a triangle, like a line AB, BC, and AC. So here you bisect the one line and bisect the two angles. One line and two angles. You can easily draw the incircle of a triangle. What do you draw? Incircle of a triangle. So here today we will see the in mathematics we will see that a construction of a triangle, incircle and out circle. First here we have to see the outer circle, or that we call it circumcircle, and then second we draw incircle. What do you call incircle? That we incircle. So these are the two things you have to now study. Afterwards we can lastly we can go for the exercises. So I think that I'm right. Yesterday I'm giving you solution of your exercise all the states. So here in tomorrow's lecture I will do a different from this thing, like the cylinder, rectangle, square. How they are also important for us to construct. How, and the important thing is that all this rectangle, square, triangle, then afterwards cylinder. These are the things we have to construct, and how these are applications in various fields. They are having the applications in various fields. So my students, today your homework is draw a incircle and draw outer circle the measurement whichever you want take, because but the important thing is that when you take a measurement of a rectangle, you will see, or you use Pythagoras theorem formula, otherwise your triangle will be not form. That's why I'm telling you, in rectangular triangle you use the Pythagoras theorem to draw and form. I think that rectangle, then acute angle, obtuse angle triangle, you can draw. Your homework is that rectangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, all these triangles in circle, and outer circle of this, outer circle of this triangle. So today we will close this thing, and tomorrow we make out this another interesting topic that that is in a construction only, but in different way. So thank you and goodbye.